Hey folks, welcome to Weller. Today I'll show how to use any Android tablet as a second PC monitor. Sadly, I'll use a phone since I don't have a tablet. Let's start on the computer. We need a program called Space Desk. Here it is. Let's download it. It's downloading now. For Windows 10 and 11. The download is in progress. Let's open it. Click Next. Accept and click Next. Next. Next and install. Meanwhile, download Space Desk on your tablet. Open it while it's installing on my PC. Now open Space Desk driver, console here too. There. And now my computer has appeared. Select it, and voila, another monitor. You can adjust settings here. That's all folks. This has been Weller. See you next time.